What's up guys, this is Sunny back with another video, and today real quick I want to share with you guys one of the product I received from Be Quiet. Today we have here Be Quiet Pure Rock Slim 2, one of the budget CPU air cooler from Be Quiet, and you guys will be surprised, this cooler goes for around $25, and I think currently this cooler is on sale on, I believe, Newegg. So this cooler is good for my build right here. Currently I'm running AMD Ryzen 3 3100 CPU overclocked to 4.2 GHz. So for that CPU, this cooler is good. Now I don't recommend this cooler for any high-end CPU. Okay, this cooler is good for like these low-end CPUs. Now real quick, I want to do a quick unboxing for you guys and show you guys what this cooler comes with, and then I'll install this cooler and show you guys how this cooler perform. Now before I do the unboxing, I just want to give you guys quick specs rundown. So you guys can see front of the box here real quick. All right, top, and then back of the box. Okay, nice and simple. And let me just give you guys a quick specs rundown. So the cooler dimension, the length is around 82 millimeter, the width is around 97 millimeter, and the height is around 135 millimeters. So this cooler will fit in almost any case you have, like any mid-tower case. All right, and the weight is around 385 grams, so not all that heavy. And heatsink is built out of aluminum. This cooler does support Intel LGA 1200, LGA 1150, LGA 1151, and LGA 1155, and AMD socket M4 and M3 Plus. It does come with a 92 millimeter fan, so because this cooler is small, that's why it comes with a smaller fan. And the fan maximum speed is around 2000 RPM, and comes with a 4-pin PWM plug, and fan lifespan is around 80,000. So let me just do the unboxing. All right, so basically you guys can see here everything here. Now what I'm wondering, why these things are just open here laying around, because there is no packaging for these brackets, and I don't know, should I need that? All right, what do we have in the box? All right, so we have here quick installation guide, so you guys can basically follow step-by-step guide. Be Quiet always include like a detailed installation guide with most of their products. Now let me start with the fan. So you guys can see it does come with a small Be Quiet Pure Wing 2 fan. Okay, and the fan maximum speed is around 2000 RPM, as you guys can see. Front and back right here, and does come with 4-pin PWM plug here. All right, and let me show you guys the cooler itself. Come on. All right, so here we have the cooler, and this cooler is really small guys, really tiny, as you guys can see. I wish this cooler was black, or maybe they have a black version, I'm not sure. But if this cooler was black, like a flat black, will definitely look nice. And then it does come with 3 copper heat pipes, okay? Not 4, 3. And you guys can see the M4 bracket is already pre-installed here. Looks good, guys. Alright, as you guys can see, it does come with thermal paste pre-applied, and doesn't come with any included thermal paste tube or anything. Now keep in mind, this cooler goes for only $24 or $25, so don't accept like a lot from this cooler, because basically Be Quiet is targeting the budget builders, and I wouldn't recommend like extreme overclocking with this cooler, because this cooler looks like a baby. Look at this, but it's definitely nice. All right, real quick, let me install this cooler and show you guys how this Be Quiet Pure Rock Slim 2 perform with my AMD Ryzen 3 3100 CPU overclocked to 4.2 GHz. And yeah, let's jump in. As you can see, currently I have AMD Raid Prism cooler installed, and we'll take this cooler off real quick and install Be Quiet Pure Rock Slim 2 here. And you guys can see we already have M4 bracket pre-installed, so we don't actually have to do anything. Just take this one off and then just mount this one. Simple as that. You guys can see. Okay, and if you guys are planning on using this cooler with like Intel build, like with LGA 1200 or 1150, 1151 or 1155, you guys can see basically this cooler also comes with like same bracket as like Intel stock coolers. You just have to just line it up and just press this and lock it. Okay, really simple, guys. So let me install this cooler. Like I told you guys, I don't really have to show you guys how to install, because just like installing a stock AMD cooler. So I'll simply take this cooler off and install this cooler, and after that I'll show you guys the temperature and the fan noise. So let's jump in. Alright guys, so you guys can see currently I'm running AMD Raid Prism cooler, and this cooler looks beautiful. I love it, but this cooler is a bit loud. Alright, so currently I have my AMD Ryzen 3 3100 CPU overclocked to 4.2 GHz with 1.1 volt. As you guys can see here, I have Cinebench R20 here currently idling, and the idle temperature is right now 41 Celsius. Alright, 42 Celsius. And you guys can see or hear the fan noise. Okay, and let me show you guys with the Cinebench R20 running, so you guys can see the temperature. Okay, so currently we are running Cinebench R20. I have the microphone like 10 inches away from the tower. Okay, and the load temperature we are getting around 65 Celsius, 66. Alright guys, so I finally installed the Be Quiet Pure Rock Slim 2 cooler, and keep in mind this cooler was for only $24 or $25, so don't accept too much from this cooler. This cooler is for budget builders. So I have my AMD Raid Prism cooler here, and I have the Be Quiet Pure Rock Slim 2 cooler installed right now. Installation was really simple. You guys can see, comes with like the OEM M4 bracket. Okay, just like this one. Okay, just like AMD Raid Prism cooler. Okay, so the installation is nothing. All right. And we have Cinebench R20 open. Currently we are not running. And here we have AMD Ryzen Master open. And you guys can see idle temperature is around 35 Celsius. And CPU is overclocked to 4.2 GHz with 1.1 volt. So I want to see how well this cooler perform. One thing I really like about this cooler is really quiet. So you guys can hear currently my camera is like 10 inches away from the tower right now, the computer case, and as you guys can hear the noise while idling, I'm like 5 inches away from the tower, the case. So this cooler is really quiet. Alright, so let me run Cinebench R20 real quick, and let's stress this cooler. Alright, Cinebench R20 running. Now, one thing I'm really impressed with this cooler, this thing is quiet, guys. Again, I'm like 10 inches away from the case, 5 inches. And also, you don't have to worry about RAM clearance. You guys can see enough space there. I can literally put my finger right here. Look at this. And let's look at the temperature. Okay, so load temperature is around 67 Celsius while running Cinebench R20. Celsius. We are running Cinebench R20. Guys, this thing is quiet. Definitely quiet. Okay, the temperature we have here 68 Celsius. (69 Celsius). Cinebench R20 almost done. Alright, if you guys care about the CPU score, is around 2522 right here. And again, the idle temperature right now 39 Celsius, showing 38 Celsius. Alright guys, so now what I think about a Be Quiet Pure Rock Slim 2 cooler for around $25. I personally think Be Quiet Pure Rock Slim 2 performed really well. For $25, you can actually go wrong. Now, temperature wise, both of these coolers perform exactly same. AMD Red Prism cooler and the Pure Rock Slim 2 perform same. Only difference, the biggest difference, Red Prism is really loud. Okay, under load this thing is loud, even while idling this thing is loud. So if you care about the noise, then definitely go with Be Quiet Pure Rock Slim 2. Definitely comes with a quiet fan, and also you can buy brand new Be Quiet Slim 2 for around $25 from Newegg. So I don't know what to tell you guys. I personally like both of these coolers, but I think I'm keeping this cooler right now because Pure Rock Slim 2 is definitely a quiet cooler. Alright, if you guys have any question, leave your question in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to answer you guys. And that should be it, guys. See you guys next one. Peace.